Move over bland, shake up flavor, hot trends in kitchen and dining hitting Amazon's top charts. Forget microwave monotony and tired takeout. Your kitchen is about to become a haven of hot trends and delicious possibilities, thanks to some ingenious new arrivals topping Amazon's bestseller charts. Ditch the dinner doldrums and get ready to whip up culinary magic with these game changers. 1 Crockpot's comeback. Slow cooking gets sleek. Crockpot small 3-quart round manual slow cooker. Remember grandma's comforting stews and melt in your mouth pulled pork? The slow cooker is back, but with a modern makeover. This 3-quart crockpot beauty, boasting sleek stainless steel and a compact design, is perfect for solo foodies or busy families. Imagine cozy evenings filled with the aroma of simmering perfection, from tender roasts to hearty soups, all with barely a lift of a finger. Its convenience and comfort, beautifully reimagined. 2 So long, soggy mats, drying redefined. S&T Ink Dish Drying Mat. Banish the bane of every dishwashing session, the dreaded soggy dish mat. This absorbent microfiber marvel from S&T Ink is a game changer. Think dishes drying faster than Usain Bolt on a mission, thanks to its super absorbent core. Plus, it's reversible for double the drying power and comes in sleek black, adding a touch of sophistication to your sink side. Goodbye, mildew, hello, dish drying delight. 3 Breakfast reimagined, beyond boring eggs, dash deluxe sous vide style egg bite maker. Tired of the same old scrambled eggs? Brace yourself for breakfast bliss with the Dash Egg Bite Maker. This sous vide inspired wonder cooks up individual egg bites bursting with flavor and packed with protein. Think healthy mini quiches, veggie-packed omelets, even decadent dessert delights, all in under 10 minutes. Ditch the greasy spoon. This countertop chef whips up endless breakfast, and beyond, possibilities, making mornings a culinary adventure. 4 Scrubbing with sass. Cleaning gets adorable. Ototo Beardy Multicolor Kitchen Scrub Brush. Let's face it, dishwashing isn't always glamorous. But what if your cleaning companion was downright adorable? Enter the Ototo Beardy Scrub Brush. This gnome-shaped superhero tackles dirty dishes with sturdy bristles, while its cheeky grin injects a dose of fun into even the most mundane kitchen tasks. Dishwasher safe and available in a rainbow of colors, Beardy makes cleaning less of a chore and more of a charming routine. These are just a taste of the culinary revolution brewing on Amazon's top charts. So, ditch the dinner dullness, embrace the hottest trends, and get ready to cook up a storm of flavor and fun in your kitchen. Remember, deliciousness awaits just a click away.